Howdy folks, I wanted to do some videos on mineral identification. I went on YouTube and looked at a lot of videos and they all seem to be oriented towards either like a school laboratory experiment sort of exercise, I should say, or they just seem really basic. I mean, they'll take like a sample of pyrite and a sample of quartz and a sample of calcite and just the basic ones and kind of find the differences or fill in the blanks as far as what they are, but nothing seems to really go after kind of something that's really unknown or something that they found and something that could be anything in the universe, and rather than the dozen samples that they have and if they've gotten from somewhere that are in really great shape and readily look like something just by their appearance. So anyways, I'd like to kind of do a learning series on actually doing some identification. And when I say learning, it's for me too, because this is I'm not this is something that I'm going to make up as I go. So hang in there, and we'll see what we can learn together as we look at stuff. And I have a sample, or actually two samples, of something that I'd like to look at first. Here's a couple pieces, and it's something that I kind of find in the area here. I'm in Southwest Virginia, and there's some mines in the area, and they actually went through putting in some water lines, so they were doing a lot of digging. So I pulled out some of these samples, I think from that digging. But anyways, I think it'll be fun to go through and try to figure out what this is, and then I have a whole bucket of different rocks and minerals here behind me, or actually a couple buckets that I can go through, and we can kind of see if we can figure out what they are. And what I'd like to do is not only go over some of the physical properties, there's some of the obvious ones like the hardness and things like that, which are really very useful, but I'd also like to even go a little bit deeper and try to look at some of the chemical properties too. And there's some older sort of methods like borax bead and flame tests and things like that they're kind of antiquated, but for somebody working in a home lab, it's kind of great when you don't have the expensive instrumentation to analyze some of the stuff. So okay, go ahead and take a look at whatever videos I have posted, and let's start analyzing some rocks and minerals. Thanks for watching.